Pero the main challenge that we have in the local is that they are not yet acquainted with what we do. So there's a lot of education that needs to be done on this.
Siguro natatanong, ano ba yan? Bakit ko kinakailangan kuning SEO? Ganun siguro. Anong ROI ko dyan, no? Ganun
Pati nga siguro nanay tatay ko, hindi ko masyadong alam kung ano ginagawa ko eh. Sabi na, nag-online job lang.
Online job lang. I see. Kwento mo na sa amin, sir, nung pumunta ka na ulit ng Iligan at meron na ngang friend na itatrain ka daw niya sa SEO. So maybe you can tell us about it, sir.
Yeah, so etong friend na to, even like, I think it was way back in 2009, they already started doing online jobs now to Odesk dati, now free, Upwork.
Upwork na ngayon, no?
So yung Odesk dati, it was parang an avenue of people who in Iligan City na to get substantial income on a regular basis, no? And then yung unang I could say na unang na-introduce sa kanila was doing SEO. Specifically off-page SEO, which is yung link building na site. So during that time, medyo nagkaroon ng overflow ng client. Ito si friend ko. And then wanted to have someone who can help him sa projects niya. And yan, eventually ang nangyari din noon, so kasi sa freelancing, it really depends on kung paano ka dumiskarte. Like, sa kanya kasi, ang nangyari was, like, some few months after, clients decided to part ways with him. So nag-part ways sila nung client na siniserve ko, and then eventually he have decided to turn me over actually sa asawa ko.
Wow.
So it was the start ng yung journey ko with my wife, na dati siyang naging pangalawang boss actually.
Wow.
So I was helping my wife with girlfriend ko pa siya dati, helping my wife with mga projects niya rin. She was a more of parang SEO din, pero more of the parang virtual assistant ng mga business owners, no. And then when during that time na tinutulungan ko ng asawa ko, I was also parang trying to find ways na magsimula ng sa akin. So I created my own profiles online, and then started applying for jobs. Prepared some cover letters, prepared myself for series of interviews, questions, and I think yung experience ko with my yung colleague ko dati, and then the project of my wife really helped me out when I decided to go all in na talaga sa
So, literal yun na turning point sa career at saka sa buhay mo,
Yes.
sa private and professional life. No?
Pero it's not rainbows and butterflies talaga.
Definitely, yeah.
There will be times na, always zero ka talaga, and then there will be happenings like even sa amin, sa side namin during back then na may mga kliyente ka na tatakbuhan ka, hindi ka babayaran 2 buwan.
Oh, wow!
It really happened.
Wow!
It really happened. And it's parang painstaking journey na you needed to undergo. Not unless, ngayon, if you're parang able to prevent it na ganun na mangyari, that would be helpful. So, sa side na yun, I think yung pinaka-biggest takeaway ko is to really have a service agreement with
on paper dapat,
on paper dapat, no?
Tama.
And then aside from the service agreement, you ask for upfront payment talaga.
Parang quote-unquote deposit ba yan?
Yes, deposit
sa ating layman's
service.
term, no?
Yes. Kasi ang nangyayari dati, mauna yung trabaho bago ka babayaran.
Right.
And it's very prone na pwede kang
Abuso,
takbuhan agad.
tama.
Tatakbuhan ka na isa, 2 buwan mo na ginawa, and then you're paying for that. Kasi during that time, wala pang sariling PC, wala pa lahat. Nakiki-internet cafe ka lang, o coffee shop ka lang nagtatrabaho. So, eventually, you're paying for the hours in the internet cafe. And then,
sure. Wala. Pero sir, I have to ask you this question. So that time na nasi-zero ka nung mga panahon na yun, walang mga kliyente, tinatakbuhan ka, what was your motivation na magpatuloy? Paano mo na-survive yung mga downtimes na yun? Kasi for sure, nakakababae ng moral natin, di ba? Ako, as a consultant, ganoon din sa akin. So, paano mo na-survive yun, sir? Anong mindset yung meron ka nung panahon na yun?
It's more of, yung sa akin ngayon, actually, nung time na yun, the mindset was not about how to make money. The mindset was more about how to get very good at this skill.
Wow.
So hindi ako driven towards getting income during that time, but more of me learning a lot of things that is within the scope ng digital marketing. And I think it really attracted them. Like people, when you learn a lot and at the same time, you're really open for opportunities, or even ikaw mismo yung gumagawa ng opportunities na yun. It opens to a lot of doors then to in terms of getting more interested parties to work with you.
Right.
And it starts from there. So doon na rin mag-involve yung very good ka with communication skills.
And just for the record, sir, this happened like ilang years ago na yan, sir.
I think this was way back in it was ongoing din kasi like, hindi siya natatapos when you get to learn this. There will be another level or different circumstances na mangyayari siya, but siguro yung forma niya would be very parang parehas lang when it comes to how you handle it. You understand the problem ng business, and then at the same time you try to find out whether yung work mo or what you do really help them drive sales dun sa business nila, and if it works, then usap-usap na lang ulit.
Usap-usap, no? Pun intended. But anyway, sir, no? So, everyone knows you now as one of the top SEO specialists dito sa Pilipinas. Maybe you can tell us the importance of SEO. Basics lang, sir. What does it mean muna when we say SEO and maybe SEO marketing as well?
Yes. So SEO is, I could say, yung meaning kasi ng SEO is search engine optimization. To my own definition, I feel that yung SEO sa akin is the art and science of putting a website in front page of search engines like Google. So basically, doon napapasok yung strategy of how you're able to do it. So that's the art and then the science is that because you're following a same a process in order to achieve that, yung parang exponential result na tinatawag natin, like from out of nowhere, like let's say Google yun, out of nowhere, from Google you start to be seen on the top 50 of Google, you get to be seen on the top 20 of Google, and then to the first page of Google search results, and then how you're able to climb up to the first spot.
Ano yung importance, sir, ng Google page ranking? Bakit kinakailangan, just for our listeners na walang idea for it, di ba pag nag-search sila sa Google, bakit importante na nasa first page ka? Ano yung importance nun?
Yes, so it really drives sales and leads to the businesses, no? Like for example, we got, sige, pagpalagay natin you're selling a car. So Autodeal, example si Autodeal.
Yes.
They're selling brand new cars, they're selling used cars, no? And then when people search for used cars for sale or Toyota car for sale or Toyota car review, they'll be seen on the front page of the search result. And eventually, it really helped them get more inquiries or interested parties, no, to get deals dun sa business nila.
Right.
And it's just the parang form of one of the marketing channels na ginagawa, kasi a lot of marketing can be done sa websites now. We also got like Facebook marketing and other social media marketing, we got email marketing. These are all forms of digital marketing, no? And yung SEO is one of the, I could say, very lucrative. Kasi
for the part of the business owner, right?
Yes. Kasi parang siya, I could say na according nga dun sa kaibigan, parang puno siya eh. It's like, kung nagsisimula ka ng SEO sa website, it's like you're putting a seed on it. And then you keep on doing SEO, which is watering and watering and watering it. Hanggang sa tumubo siya, maging kahoy siya. Pag naging kahoy siya, it will bear fruit. Hindi na siya hihinto na magbigay ng bunga.
Yeah.
So, kung sa business perspective naman yun, yung SEO is something that they plant on the business. No? Once they, yung SEO was ongoing and then eventually, aakyat yung tinatawag na organic traffic, no?
Right.
Technical, or yung visits ng website over time. And it will drive your business then in your end in terms of leads, in terms of sales, no, mga inquiries. And even not just that, kahit sa side ng you could say that SEO could really help you out in terms of visibility, so more on searchability na side, no, brand awareness, and even on the retention side, which is, for example, meron ka ng mga repeat customers that wanted to realign with you. And by doing SEO sa website mo, you'll be able to retain these customers or yung mga kliyente.
Right. So ano yung ginagawa nyo ba dito, sir, for our fans na, mga magkaka-interest din sa SEO, malamang napadpad sa ating video na ito. So ano ba yung ginagawa niyo? Is it just about the content? Yung mga keywords ba yan? Links, combination ba? Or the whole din na web page design? Kinakailangan talagang i-change mo yung image nun para maging katanggap-tanggap at saka mas papalo ng maganda sa ratings? Paano ba yun, sir?
Well, interesting na question, no? Because meron kasi kami na tinatawag na T-shaped marketer. Ibig sabihin nun, yung T-shaped marketing na yun is like, ito yung SEO.
Okay.
Sorry, ito yung pa niya is the SEO.
Okay.
And then it involves a lot of things in between. You meddle with the design, you meddle with the content, you meddle with the development of the website, you meddle with the links, the PR, social media. So very diverse ang SEO when it comes to a lot of things sa website. No?
Right.
But basically, yung foundation ng SEO is to really help the website become more optimized. So optimization ng website, by optimization, ibig sabihin dapat mabilis yung webpage ng website.
Yung paglo-load din, no? Yung paglo-load.
Yes. And it's more parang open sa mga search engines like Google na madaling ma-pick up yung content mo, fresh content mo ng website mo, or even the old pages of your website. So in order to do that, you need to do SEO sa website mo. And technically, content and links, which is yun nga, whether it's media content like video content, kailangan mai-optimize mo rin siya, no? And then written content, which is our articles, no? And links are more of yung mga example, dalawa, meron kang website, meron akong website, I get a link from you because we are parang I feel na may connection tayong dalawa. So it gives a vote to my side. It really helps out a lot in terms of ranking.
So SEO ba, sir, kaya bang gawin ng isang tao lamang, or ang mas mabuti talaga yung someone should belong to a team talaga na parang SEO team?
To start, no, like kasi iba-iba rin yung forma ng mga website. May mga website na maliliit lang. May mga website na sobrang laki na nila. At SEO can be done by parang one-man team. Okay.
So you used to do that when nag-start ka?
When I was starting, yes.
Wow.
Kasi you need to touch yung magsusulat ka. So during back then, in our early years, we were already doing vlogging in 2000.
Right.
2000.
That's true.
Pero parang personal lang na vlog.
That's true, yeah.
Pero I think that was also a good foundation to learn more about content and
Pwede natin malagay dito sa post-production sa gilid mo, sir, yung link ng binigay mo sa akin back in 2011 na pinicture mo yung vlog ko dati. Yeah. But so sir, because we touched on teams, so maybe you can tell us now about your company, Semblitz, sir, because I know it's a good team, it's a great team for SEO marketing and link building. So tell us something about your company.
So we're actually parang lean team lang na. We are not really robust in terms of but the team is really involved in helping businesses, especially dun sa side ng hospitality industry. So technically they are like hoteliers, websites ng mga event planners, or those websites ng mga restaurateurs or anyone that's in travel, no? To grow their organic traffic in terms of SEO. So yung Semblitz team, composition namin would eventually we have someone who does Technically, yung strategy is falls sa akin. But we have people who does the project management, and then people who does the content side of things, and then people who also does the outreach. These are the ones who are sending emails, to webmasters to inquire whether we're able to acquire links from their website or how to get links.
Just to clarify, sir, yung industry po na palaging yung mga nagiging mga kliyente, ano ba siya? Nakalimit ba siya sa hotel and accommodation, or iba-iba talagang industry, sir, so far?
When we started, actually yung very diverse yung portfolio namin sa team, no, and we handle a lot from automotive, finance, business related, even investing, trading stocks. Mas more on sa finance pa nga but we're looking at siguro it's also parang consensus ng assemblage team, no, na we should try to offer travel. One thing is that we open ourselves to travel industry. Unang-una kasi we feel that yung tourism is one of the parang binibida ng Philippines, and then we wanted to serve yung local market kasi we feel that sorry to say na pinapayaman nga natin yung other countries with what we do. Why not serve your own? So may sense din ng nationalism
in some ways, no?
In some ways,
so you're saying, sir, na you cater to, of course, international, pero ngayon kahit local, of course, na we
parehas, no? Anyone will be pero the main challenge that we have in the local, no, is that they are not yet acquainted with what we do. So there's a lot of education that needs to be done on this.
Siguro natatanong, ano ba yan? Bakit ko kinakailangan kuning SEO? Ganun siguro. Anong ROI ko dyan, no?
Pati nga siguro nanay tatay ko, hindi ko masyadong alam kung ano ginagawa ko. Sabi na, nag-online job lang.
Online job lang. I see.